Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. This Delta Electronics power supply, it is not turning on. Let's see what's wrong here. If you don't have good experience in electronics, never try to repair because we are dealing with live voltage. In my last video, I repaired this power supply. This is same model. In that power supply, I found these two diodes, this capacitor, and this fuse. These were damaged in this power supply. These three components. Let's see what is wrong here. I will apply power using series lamp and we will monitor the lamp condition. There is no indication on the lamp. Check AC voltage. Always take care for the safety. If we check output voltage, no voltage at output terminal and no voltage at standby. Before touching to the circuit, verify voltage on this capacitor. DC voltage, no voltage. If you see this area, there is something wrong here. We will check its fuse. In last power supply, I found this fuse damaged. Just for test purpose, I will use 1 ampere fuse wire. It is best way for troubleshooting. Check at input, there is no short circuit. In last power supply, this one, here was problem that input short circuit. This circuit is now here clear. Set multimeter to diode. It is not a good reading. DC rail short circuit. Yes. 20N60C3, all datasheet.com. 20N60C3, 45 ampere, 600 volt, and channel IGBT. So this IGBT is damaged. This diode is good. I removed this IGBT. First we will verify the circuit using this rectifier. The positive voltage will come from here through inductor and to positive terminal. This rectifier is good. Before removing this IGBT, there was short circuit on this link, positive terminal to negative terminal. But after removing this IGBT, this short circuit is now finished. Now we will check positive terminal to capacitor positive terminal, one side diode, this one. Reverse the leads. Now it's good. Now I will apply power. Now we will turn on this circuit without PFC section. Yes, this time the circuit draws current, that means this capacitor started charging. Now this time it is without PFC. If PFC, this voltage will around 400 volt. Now we remove this IGBT. Now the DC rail is clear. We need to verify standby power supply section, that is this one. If we see this power supply section, there are 1, 2, 3 outputs. These 2 pins output, these 2 outputs, these 2 outputs. And here is primary section, this one. RCD snubber components, rectifier and capacitor. This section provides power to this current amplifier, PFC controller, and 2845, this IC. So we need to check voltage on these sections. We will monitor voltage on this capacitor, this one, this is 400 volt capacitor, and these are around 10 to 15 volt, and here is also 10 to 15 volt on these capacitors. Let's verify. Take special care. I connected power here. After these 2 diodes, check voltage on this capacitor. It is 400 volt capacitor, 329, 330 volt, it's good. After this, check output here. This capacitor, 2.1 volt, it's wrong. Check voltage on this capacitor. No voltage, it's wrong. On this capacitor must be 11 volt, 12 volt. Check voltage on this rectifier, no voltage. This is wrong. Then check voltage here on this capacitor. Output fluctuating. It's wrong. Check voltage on this capacitor. It is also low voltage and fluctuating. Always verify voltage on this capacitor. It must be discharged. Now it is safe, we can touch it. Because this IGBT was damaged. When this IGBT is damaged, most of the time its driver chip PFC controller is damaged. Might be this chip is damaged, or might be it's this rectifier section is damaged. 54B65 pin 7 VCC pin 1 ground. Continuity. It is giving continuity. That means ground and VCC. So might be this IC is damaged, or might be its power supply is damaged. Here is rectifier that is coming from transformer, this winding. This rectifier is giving short circuit. Then these voltage are reaching to this capacitor. Capacitor this end is connected to ground from inner side of the PCB from here. So we need to check this diode. This diode is damaged. Its SMD code is AA. Yes, that's good. Now 12.54 volt are present 11.56. That means we need to install this diode, double A. SMD, you need double A. Yes, it is BAV19W SOD323. It is 100 volt diode, 200 milliampere. DC voltage 8.15. Still the voltage are loaded. Still there is something wrong. I removed this PFC controller IC. Now the voltage are 14.46. 11 point, yes, that's nice. Now this is VCC for this 2845, and this time this IC must start work. Let's check output. Excellent, 23.99 volt. This time this circuit is powered on without PFC controller. 12.48, 11.93, that's good. We can see the LED is now turned on. These voltage are good. VCC capacitor for 2845, PWM controller and PFC controller, that's good. It must be 11 to 12 volt, that's nice. And secondary side, first section Second section, this time this power supply is working good. I need to replace IGBT, PFC controller, gate drive components and fuse. So this power supply will work normally. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it is good, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.